Are you ready?
Not really.
Head of production, Anna Pick. Hello, how are you?
Hi, good. How are you going?
Good. You don't normally peek out from behind the editing window, but it's lovely to see you. We thought we'd just find out a little bit about what's going on in the editing suite at the moment.
There's a lot going on. We've got various courses in different stages. So one of our beautiful courses we filmed up in Milton with an artist called Jo Kitson. That course is almost ready to be released. So we're just putting the finishing touches on that one. I'll show you actually here a little bit
Mm.
of a sneak peek. Here's how
Yes.
it's coming along here.
Wow, it looks so good.
And with the color, like, look at the difference that makes.
Yeah.
Have you got the logo ready for me yet?
I've been working on the logo. So luckily I was on set for that course and I got a really good understanding of Juzz's work and so I designed this logo.
One of my
um,
favorites.
yeah, oh, thank you, which is inspired by her. She makes these beautiful little pieces and then puts them in an arrangement as a constellation. That's
Um,
our beautiful first ceramics course, our first foray into ceramics. What was your favourite part of that you've seen of the footage so far, Anna?
I think the most unexpected part for me, which is something I never had even thought of, and I'm not a ceramicist, so all editing this course, it was all new to me. But seeing her go out into nature and do the on the site installation
Yeah.
was incredible. I'm like, first of all, are we allowed to do that? Like, and I'm like, of course, like it's the natural elements in nature and just the way she almost put the clay back where it came from, but in this beautiful way. And it just was like something that everyone would see and just stop and go, oh my goodness, like
Yeah.
it was incredible. I
It
don't
was a
know,
little
it just blew my
precarious.
mind.
They were sort of on a bit of a side of a cliff, but
Yeah, they were.
all will be revealed in the footage.
Yeah.
That was a beautiful day.
And I've also got a course here, which we filmed with Julian. So that's in the early stages of editing, by
It
what I
blows my
see.
mind we can do all the prep, all the paperwork, the travel, the planning, the filming, all of this. It's like lots of creative projects. So much goes into it, and then it all just chops down, and you're holding this thing, which is the course on a hard drive.
Yeah.
It blows my mind. So that's also going to be our first quilting course that we release. And Julian does these beautiful big quilts where the fabric is printed from his gestural drawings, paintings and drawings. It's incredible. Incredible.
Yeah. I think my favorite part of editing that one will be adding the music.
Yeah,
There
yeah,
was a little bit of there was some cool vibes going on, wasn't there, in that
yeah.
studio?
Yeah, because his dad was a DJ, and so he spent his childhood, I think, listening to gospel, R&B. So we played music on set, and he was doing his mark making to music.
And how lucky are we
Yeah,
that this is our
yeah.
job?
I know,
Yeah.
it's so
It's a
good.
pinch me kind of, you can get stuck in the kind of everyday motion of every
Mm,
day, but then when we meet like this and talk about it, it
yeah.
just brings you back to the fact that we're shaping these moments that become part of a student's inner archive. Like
Yeah,
we're sitting, I can just imagine this course, with someone on their laptop on their lounge and they're
yeah.
um maybe on the other side of the world in their living room, and they might suddenly feel less alone um,
Yes.
because they're watching our courses. So that's kind of a nice part of our job, a bonus.
Beautiful, Anna. I need to bring you over to the marketing team.
Oh, okay.
You can creep back
I
behind your editing computer now, editing screen.
Okay. Thank
All
you.
right. Bye.
Bye.